Hello friends, today we are going to see how we can sort the data in the natural order. Java API provides a way to sort the data in natural order using the comparable interface. Comparable interface comes under the Java Lang package. It contains only single method named compare_to, which has a parameter as an object. You can see the syntax of compare_to method. When we are creating any class and within that class we want to sort the data for a single element, at that time we are using a comparable interface and implementing the comparable, which contains the single method named public integer compare_to as a parameter of the object. So this method is used to compare the current object with the specified object. Okay. So as I discussed, it provides only single sorting sequence. So you can sort the element based on single data member only. Suppose let's say an example. I have a class with the employee ID, name, address and salary. I would like to sort the data on the basis of the salary in ascending order. Okay, so comparable only gives the support to sort the data on a single sequence. So in that case we can use the comparable. Okay, it provides single sorting sequence. As we discussed, we can sort the element of string object, okay, vapor class object like integer, float, whatever the vapor class we have. User defined class object, as discussed in the in previous example. Suppose I have an employee class. This is our user defined class. Okay, where class employee and where I am declaring a ID, okay, then declaring a name, then like that, defining all that variable. Okay, name, address and salary. Okay, so this is my user defined class and sort the element based on the user defined class. Okay, so collection class provide a static method for sorting the element of the collections. Okay, so we know that there is a collections class and within that we have a sort method. Okay, so if a collection element is a set type, okay, so we can use the tree set and easily it is giving the sort the data for us. But we have a list type of the element. In that case, what we have to do? We have to use the collections.sort method and pass the list within that. Okay, so as I discussed, it's a method sort which is accepted as a list, is used to sort the element of list, and list element must be comparable type. Okay, we will see in the example, so you can maybe very clear. Okay, string class or vapor class elements the vapor implement the comparable interface. So if you store the object of the string or vapor class, so it will be comparable. Okay, suppose I have a list type of string, or I have a list of type of integer only. Okay, and if I will put that string within our collection.sort method, so it will directly sort our element. But when we have a user defined class, in that case we have to implement the comparable and whatever the logic we have to put that logic within the compare to method and compare the specified object with our current object. Got you? Thank you. Now let's see the example. I have a class employee and I would like to sort the element on the base of employee salary. Okay, so I have a comparable which is type of employee. I have a 3 elements, ID, name and salary. I am taking the inputs as a constructor, and this is my logic. If salary equal to employee salary, okay, in that case return 0. If the current salary is greater than the specified object salary, at that time return 1, and else if salary is less than with the specified object, in that case you have to return -1. Okay, so let's see. I have and another thing, to string I have implemented. This is also object class method. This method is used to print the object in as a string. Okay, so let's see. This is my comparable example class where I have a main method. I have created a different employee object which where I am passing the data as a constructor when the object is initialized, and set all the employee within the employee list. Okay, then using the system.out.println I am just printed the unsorted element, and then after using the collection.sort passing the employee list, and again I am checking that is data is sorted properly or not. So let's run this example. Okay, before sorting it is unarranged, it is unsorted data, and after sorting you can see the record and data are sorted on the basis of the employee salary. Thank you so much to watching this video. Please subscribe, and if you like it, so please share it with your friends. Thank you so much.